Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Coupe. This is powered with triple Merc engines, outboards. Stepping into the cockpit area, down in the cabin, forward TV, head area, microwave, stainless refrigerator, aft sleeping cabin as well. Dual Simrad chart plotter displays, joystick control, Simrad VHF, Fusion stereo system. This has the retractable top with the extended sunshade option. Under here we have the electric grill with a sink. Has a TV mount. There's the Trip Merc 250s. Again, this is the 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard Coupe, located at MarineMax Lake Norman. Call or come by. Number 704-997-2168. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax. Thank you.